Go on manifesting Sadashivatva. Practice only manifesting powers. That is enough. Be ferocious with your incompletions. Don't waste your time on completion technique. Just be ferocious with your incompletions. The moment you know something is incomplete, be ferocious with it. For years I tried completion, but only when I decided to be ferocious with my incompletions. Means when I decided even to let go this body, so I'll be in my Sadashivatva, in Omkareshwar, in Narmada. That is what I decided. I am ready to let go everything to be in the Sadashivatva. When I become ferocious to my incompletions, only then they died. They became irrelevant. They became redundant. Any technique will only give you temporary relaxation, not permanent solution. Remember, being ferocious with all the incompletions is the completion. Bring more and more integrity to the Guru. Understand, I am not using integrity to control you. I am using integrity to empower you. The more and more integrity, more and more manifestation. That's all. Manifesting Sadashivatva is not limited to just these few powers. These are just a taste I gave you. Literally, in every moment, manifesting the reality as you want, understanding anything, manifesting any experience or anything you wanted in your life. Go on manifesting what you want. And I tell you, it will never be in conflict with the cosmos and the whole. You are all favorite inheritors. Understand, the moment you are allowed physically to sit and complete the program, be informed clearly. You are favorite inheritors of the cosmos. Understand? Be more and more ferocious with your incompletions, not with others, or not thinking some external reason as incompletion. External reason for incompletion, no. Be ferocious with your incompletions. That is the technique. That is the technique. That is the completion. You can practice whatever you want like a medicine. Like if you have a headache, you can do headache curing kriya. So pick and choose your practices like a medicine whenever you want. In the wide range of practices I have offered, I have shared with you all. If you ask me generally what should be your practice, I will say only one thing. Go on practicing manifesting powers, because that one method, that simple few understandings where you remember me, invoke my presence. Understand, that is complete method by itself. It is like ultimate password for cosmos. The more you remember, more integrated you will become, more energetic you will become. The more energetic and integrated, the remembrance will be more deeper. Even if it is a thinking level remembrance in the initial level, length level. You see, if you have watched only my YouTube videos, your remembrance of me will be only length level. If you sat around in the mandala and visually drank me, it will be in the breath level. Once you are initiated and I am committing with you, your remembrance will be depth, time, space level. All the alchemy products are literally me. I am with you. I am coming with you. You came to Sadashivoham. Sadashiva is coming to your Aham. Carry them. Mahasadashiva Mandala. As I said, I am happy I gave all the other spiritual alchemy products. About Sadashiva Mandala, I feel job satisfaction. Mahasadashiva Mandala, I really feel job satisfaction. I feel I have really done a job. So, please have Mahasadashiva Mandala where you sleep or where you do puja. Anywhere is okay. That's literally Mahasadashiva himself. In all his kalas, don't treat it like object. It is living. It is living. It will go on be manifesting, 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 radiating everything in you. And also understand, these mandalas every day give you the breakthrough for further manifestation of powers. Understand, I only initiated into manifesting powers. I have not finished training. Your whole life is a training for manifesting powers. These spiritual alchemy products will be manifesting powers. If you ask me only one practice, I'll say manifest powers. You can use the word Sadashivoham, form this form. This too is enough. Enough powerful password for the cosmos to open up in you. These two are the Mahavagyas to open up the cosmos in you. I'll go on be manifesting Sadashivatva in all of you, in every way. Celebrate life, enjoy life, manifest Sadashivatva everywhere. Don't hold, be bold, you will be showered. Go around wildly with a lot of boldness and pride. I am supporting you. Manifest everywhere. Don't have self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. Antidote for self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial is, I want all you guys to be spoiled brat. It's okay if you are a spoiled brat with powers. That is perfect. Enjoy the powers, manifest powers, so that the SDHD dies once for all. Don't worry. When I manifest powers, will I interfere in some karma and something and disturb? All that I will correct. You go on manifesting. Enjoy. When I empower you, I am responsible. Drop this SDHD. Drop this self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. Go on. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Build your life as you want. That is what is building my Sangha. Build your life as you want. Whether it is health or wealth or relationships, administrative abilities, skill sets, all the resources are at your service. When I say I mean, I really mean. All the resources of the human society and the cosmos are at your disposal. Enjoy them. Celebrate your life. Build your life as you want. When you live, when you celebrate, when you radiate Sadashivatva, that is what is really standing up for my mission. My mission is ultimately making you radiate Sadashivatva. I am building temples just to give a statement to the future, next generation about this great lifestyle. Understand? Like World Trade Centers give a statement about the capitalism. White House or the Capitol Hill gives a statement about the political ideology. These temples and ashrams I am building just to give a statement about the lifestyle of Sadashivoham to the future generation. My real mission is making you all radiate Sadashivatva, enjoy, celebrate your existence and life. When you enjoy, celebrate, manifest powers of Sadashivatva, wherever you live, your house is my temple. Your body is my Garbha Mandir. Your heart is where I reside. Only thing, do not worry, you will become a spoiled brat. It's okay. I am okay about it. Drop SDHD and enjoy. It's okay. I'm having a lot of these questions in the Facebook and in the feedback forms. People having that withdrawal thing. Oh, if I manifest powers, will I misuse? Will I do something wrong? Nothing is wrong. That part I will manage. Don't worry. That part I will manage. Even if you misuse and do something wrong, with all my love and care, I will appear and explain and make you understand. Will not punish you. I give you this commitment. In Agama, there is no hell. Understand? Only in Garuda Purana, there is hell. In Hinduism. In Shaivism, there is no hell. That is why in Kailasa, whether you are a Rakshasa or a ghost or a god or a Rishi, all of them have place in Kailasa. In Kailash, we don't have hell or heaven. So don't worry. With all my integrity, I tell you, play with it. Play with all the powers, manifest all the powers, enjoy, celebrate. If you are doing something wrong, it's my responsibility. I'll correct you and give you understanding, will not punish you, you will not suffer. Be very clear about it. Neither technical mistakes, procedural mistakes or understanding mistakes will lead to any sin. Because whether it is technical mistakes, understanding mistakes or procedural mistakes, I take the responsibility. It's my responsibility to continue to guide you. I'm very clear. Understand, all these are supposed to be your clear strategy. It is not just I'm giving you any consolation. Plant all this as a strategy in your depth. This is what is my official stand. Understand? You may have 10,000 ideas in front of you. But what I am explaining is initiation. So this is what your official stand. So whenever you have SDHD, Swamiji told me I can even be spoiled brat, no problem. That there ends everything. Oh, I may be misusing, that is okay. Swamiji said, if needed, he will take care. So this should be your official strategy. Whenever you are stopped, whenever you are coming up with the blockages, whether it is physical or mental or psychological or neurological. So these are your official strategies, official in-depth cognitions. I tell you, you will all be new species. Really, really. I mean, maybe in few years, we will establish it with enough of medical, scientific, neurological studies, psychological, all the studies. If you are going to wait for the studies and then believe what I say, you can wait and waste 2 years. If you are ready to take it up when I am saying now, take it up, that's all. Because every statement I made, I proved it by enough of studies. The only thing you need to face now in this whole journey is your tantrum throwing SDHD child. Your illegitimate child. Sorry for the word, it is too strong. Self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred is your illegitimate child, which is throwing tantrum towards you. You need to only kill that fellow as brutally as possible, as early as possible, that's all. It should be so brutal, you killing that fellow, he should not even plan for rebirth and coming back to you. That is why I am saying, I am giving you complete abhayahasta. Don't worry about your SDHD. Go on living, manifesting, go wild, I'll take care of you. In this whole initiation, entanglement software itself, I have built enough of intelligence, protection, all security measures needed. I have put enough firewalls. You don't need any fear. And I have also made enough of feedback mechanism. If at all you do something, immediately, automatically information will reach and it will be responded. You will be supported. You will be groomed with all love and care. So you do not torture yourself by your illegitimate child SDHD. Be ferocious with him. Kill him as brutally as possible, as early as possible. Don't believe he is your part. No. Actually, he is not even your child. Somebody is blackmailing you, saying he is your child. Because you have doubt about yourself, you started believing he is your child. He is not. If you do the DNA test, you will find it, he is not. Other than being ferocious with your incompletions and being brutal with your SDHD, nothing else is required. Go on manifesting powers. Go on manifesting powers. I'm with you. And you are all really new species. Formally, officially, I declare everyone here as new species, pioneers of new beings. Planet Earth is having a very big positive breakthrough, a positive push. We are not over-imagining. We are actually under-imagining. I bless everyone here. Radiate Sadashivoham. As Sadashiva, living energy, living representative, and living Sadashiva. I bless you all to radiate Sadashivatva in all its manifestations, powers, state, experience, in everything. In everything, let everyone here radiate Sadashivoham. 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 It is not only my blessings, it's my commitment. I'll make every one of you manifest Sadashivatva. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saiva Sadashivoham.